You gotta push the big high. And then get out. Yep, good, Danny. Very nice. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Like you said, there you go.
Where's the uppercut off of that?
Keep the speed moving. Keep the speed moving. Nah. This is when you gotta get off. Stop looking at him. Nothing comes from it. Gotta get off.
You gotta be moving.
You can't stay there. I don't want to stop with it, Danny. Come on.
That's you.
3 minutes. You better get moving.
Show me that footwork, Danny. Show me that footwork, Danny. Show me your pivot, Danny. There it is. Show me your fake. Show me your high-low.
Come on, get off, Danny. Come on. It's the old Danny. It's the old Danny.
There we go. Again with that. Right back in with it. Right back in.
See? Come on, you gotta work on it, not get.
Move around. Move up and down. Up and down.
Now one big shot. Go toe to toe with the punch. Go faster than that. Come on. Put him out. Put him out.
Yeah, be a hard target. Be a hard target. You're not a hard target if you're not moving.
Come on. Get him going. Now.
No crazy. Right up the middle, just like that. I want to see you do that. Move around, up and down, Danny, up and down. Bob and wing. Somebody need to run more.
Come on,
there it is. Play.
Less than a minute. Come on, Danny.
Up and down.
Let your hands out.
Let him go too. Come on. There we are. Come on.
Sit for tap, baby. Come on.
Every one you got. I want to see one for you.
Give me something. Do something, baby. Go.
There you go, Danny. He's throwing one jab and then balling up. Oh, Danny.
All you need is put pressure on him. Come on, baby.
Move around, up and down. He knew the bell was coming.